Being a machinist for me is giving me something, a solid base. I can go anywhere and find a job. I can, I mean, there's machinists needed around the world.
What being a machinist done for me really has, given me the lifestyle with my family to be able to go out and have medical benefits and have dental, have vision, really truly being able to have a livable wage, to be able to have a voice.
Being a machinist has done a lot for my family and for myself. Over the last 30 years, I've been able to raise my family, but it also provides a lot of things that I wasn't able to have when I was young. So it's nice to be able to do that for my family and for my grandchildren now.